Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review about this high-yield savings account to help you decide which of these accounts would be a better choice for you. So let's dive into it. So talking about SoFi high-yield savings stand out with an impressive 3.80% APY, no fee monthly, no monthly fee, and handy features like vault and roundup to help you save smarter. It's great for tech-savvy user who wants a modern app and automation. Talking about the pros, is very high interest rate, no fees, and also strong digital tools. Talking about the cons, it was a high rate required for direct deposit or large qualifying deposit, which may not suit anyone or everyone. You're talking about the American Express high yield saving is a more traditional option with 3.50% APY, no fees, and no minimum balance requirement. It's reliable, simple, and backed by trusted financial brand, perfect for those who just want to pack cash safely and earn steady interest. So talking about the advantages side, it's easy to open, no conditions, strong reputation. And talking about the downside, it comes with a fewer features, slightly lower APY than SoFi. So in my conclusion, SoFi win for high returns and features, while Amex is better for simplicity and no string savings. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.